Okay, I am going to try to drink a Sprite. It's opened already because I didn't drink none of it. I didn't. Somebody over there did. Anyway, make sure it's Sprite. Wait, listen. Here, it's sizzling. If you don't, then you don't. But it's full stuff. So, let's go. Nope. No. This is hard. This challenge is really hard. I'm already like 2 minutes in and I haven't even drank most of it because I'm not drinking it fast. Chugging it. 3, 2, 6. Just kidding. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's the hard one. Get down there. Okay. Next challenge. It's not empty, but the next challenge I do, maybe it might be what's it called? The eating ramen noodles in 1 minute, but I don't think so. But I'm gonna try it. But here we go. I'm back. One more drink. I'm done. And I'll see how long I can do it without me burping. I can't handle it. Just kidding. Dang. Ooh. Oh, God. Oh, this is hard. Oh. 5 minutes. I've been videotaping. Took me 5 minutes to drink a whole, entire Coke. Not 5 minutes. shouldn't eat popcorn. I think I'm done. Make sure. Wait. Okay. Straight face starting now. Make sure. I can't. Never mind. Alright. Make sure to like and subscribe, please. Yeah. See y'all next time. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it at any point in time, which nobody probably will because I'm not a good YouTuber. But anyway, make sure to like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye.